Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use AI to create compelling product descriptions for your Amazon listings. Right, so if you want to generate compelling product descriptions for your Amazon product listings, you can use AI to do that. And in this example I'm going to show you how to use Jasper AI to do that, which is one of the most advanced AI generation tool out there currently. And if you haven't used Jasper AI before, I have a 5-day free trial link in the description below that you can use to get Jasper AI for 5 days for absolutely free without any risk. And once you've signed up for Jasper AI, click on the templates tab on the left here, and here you're going to be able to search for Amazon in the search bar here. And as you can see, they have 2 pre-trained templates for Amazon. One of them is Amazon product features. So if you want to create bullet points for your Amazon product listings, you can also do that with this template. But in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create Amazon product description with AI using Jasper AI. So if you click here, you're going to be able to see that you have to provide 3 inputs for Jasper AI to be able to generate Amazon product descriptions. First, you have to add the product name. So in this case, I will choose like this Robin Golf, which is I think a famous golf club brand. And then you have to add the key benefits and features of the product. So Jasper AI will use these inputs. So these are very important to be able to generate a good product description. So add them here, like in this kind of format. And then you have to add a tone of voice. So I would add like excited, which is a great one. So Amazon visitors who want to buy golf clubs on Amazon, they should be excited to learn more about this product and buy that product. So you can also change the tone of voice here. As you can see, there are a ton of options, so basically you can do anything here. Right, so then all you have to do is click on generate. Of course, you can also change the input and output language here if you want to do that. You also want to list product on not just Amazon.com but on global Amazon websites. And then as you can see here, Jasper AI has generated us 2 Amazon product descriptions. So let's have a look at the first one. This is really good. I really like it. As you can see, you can click on it, you can favorite it, you can copy it, open in the docs, or you can also downvote it if you don't like it. And if you want to generate even more, maybe change the tone of voice here to expert and click on generate here one more time, and it will generate more Amazon product descriptions that can help you to increase your conversion rate on your Amazon store. So this is how to use AI, and more specifically Jasper AI, to generate Amazon product descriptions. As I mentioned, you can get 5-day free trial using the link in the description below. And you can also check out other tutorials on how to use Jasper AI to write blog posts, create Facebook ads, or generate Amazon product descriptions.